What's up, guys? I am back. Gonna do some brown stew chicken. Guys, been a too long wait. So I'm gonna cook some yam and banana and dumpling with some brown stew chicken. We really feel for that. So up on in the kitchen with me. Let me show you what I go on. How me do my thing in the kitchen. Oops, and tell me I wanna do fun brown stew chicken. I don't like my chicken too dark and I don't fry it too long. So let me show you how I do my brown stew chicken. I wanna tell me if I say I do phone or wanna fry out on a chicken or what. So come on over in the kitchen with me. So as you can see, guys, the chicken already clean up. So right here, I'm using Maggi all-purpose and some Maggi chicken seasoning. I use some pimento seed, a little pepper. This is red pepper. A little salt. This is garlic powder. And a little salt. What I'm going to do is actually put the natural garlic as well, but the garlic powder tend to give the gravy this richness. This is a little jerk season where my auntie sent from down a yard for me. You know, me always a big up my auntie, she always a send, the good stuff. So right here, me I cut up the vegetable, which is some carrot and some white potato. We Jamaican call it Irish potato. So I like use the Irish as well. It kind of give the gravy that richness as well. So this is the onion. So I'm using a large onion. Sometimes I use more than one onion. And so this is the garlic. I am cutting up the garlics. So I'm using about 5 to 10. So we're using some green thyme and green bell pepper. So I'm just seasoning it up the meat now with everything, and then I'm going to put it to soak for about an hour and a half while I cook the food. Still cutting up some garlic. So I use about 10 peg of garlic, sometimes even more, because I love enough garlic on my food, guys. So I use this chicken is maybe about 10 pounds a chicken total. So I use about 4 or 5 potato, 2 or 3 depends on the size, carrots. That I use a little browning just to give it color, because I'm not gonna fry too deep. So when I put a little browning on it, it kind of give it a shade already, a color already, because I'm not gonna fry it deep. So I'm putting on a gloves. I just put a gloves on to just rub in the seasoning. And as you can see, guys, I don't like use a lot of different powder seasoning. I just like mostly natural stuff. So when it's gonna cook up now, I'm gonna add a little piece of scallion in there. So you'll maybe see that at the end of it. So I just use Maggi all-purpose, a little garlic powder, the salt, pimento seed. So it's just, and a little bit of the jerk season. So I don't use much seasoning on my meat. There it is, guys. So now I'm going to pick the season off of it and just start browning them. So here you go, a little bit of oil. And just light browning. I'm not gonna brown them too deep. The browning is on this, so it give it the color real quick. Chicken don't really take long to cook, so I'm just giving them some color. Yep. So that's it. At the end, I might add a little bit more browning because you know I'm going to put some water on it. So now I'm going to just add back the seasoning because all the chicken are now in the pot. So what I'm going to do is going to pour the season on this now, cover it up and let it, you know, steam. And then I'm going to add some water. All right, so I'm putting everything together. The chicken already half cooked. So I'm going to cover this up and let it steam before I add the water to it. Guys, you don't want to smell this. Oh my God, it smells so good. The garlic, man, the smell of the garlic. So I add some scallion to it. And just gonna cover this down and let it cook. There you go. I add like a cup of water to this and turn down the fire. So you see, it looked like I put a lot of water, guys. It was bringing its own water because the fire was low. So I only put like a cup of water to this. I just turn it down so it could spring its own water. Kind of a little bit white, but it's not too bad. I don't like it too dark. So, but I might add a little bit more brown into it. I'm just gonna watch to see how the color go in a few minutes. This basically ready, guys. Just drying it down, getting the gravy and the potato to kind of cook a little bit more. And then it's gonna be ready to eat with some dumpling. Guys, the food already cooked. So there you have it. That's it. It's done, ready to eat. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See ya. Bye. Banana dumpling and pear. Pull up. Panda one, yeah. Delicious.